The sharing economy is booming. Airbnb, a giant in this world, has revolutionized travel and lodging. Millions are cashing in, but here's the question. Do you need to own a property to join this gold rush? Many believe owning a property is the only way to profit from Airbnb. This is a misconception. You can earn substantial income without owning a single brick. This essay will unlock the secrets of making money on Airbnb without being a landlord. We'll explore 3 powerful methods: rental arbitrage, co-hosting, and property management. Get ready to discover how you can tap into the lucrative world of Airbnb, even if you're starting with 0 property. The thought of buying a property, especially in today's market, can be daunting. The skyrocketing prices, the overwhelming mortgage commitments, and the never-ending maintenance costs can make anyone think twice before taking the plunge into home ownership. High prices, mortgages, and maintenance costs are enough to make anyone hesitate. The financial burden can be immense, and the responsibilities can be overwhelming. It's no wonder that many people feel stuck, unable to move forward with their dreams of owning property. But don't let these barriers stop you from entering the Airbnb arena. The platform offers a unique opportunity to generate income without the need for property ownership. Imagine being able to leverage the power of Airbnb to create a steady stream of revenue, all while avoiding the traditional pitfalls of real estate investment. The beauty of Airbnb lies in its flexibility. Whether you're interested in short-term rentals, long-term stays, or even unique experiences, there's a niche for everyone. You can tailor your approach to fit your lifestyle and financial goals, making it a versatile option for anyone looking to diversify their income streams. It offers multiple avenues for generating income, catering to various risk appetites and time commitments. From managing a single listing to overseeing multiple properties, the possibilities are endless. You can start small and scale up as you gain experience and confidence in the platform. Whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a side hustle, there's an Airbnb strategy for you. The platform's user-friendly interface and extensive support resources make it accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or experience level. Forget the traditional real estate hurdles. You don't need to deal with the stress of buying, selling, or maintaining a property. Instead, you can focus on creating memorable experiences for your guests and building a profitable business on your terms. You don't need to be a property mogul to succeed. With the right strategy, a bit of hustle, and the information this essay will provide, you can achieve financial freedom and enjoy the benefits of the sharing economy. All you need is the right strategy, a bit of hustle, and the information this essay will provide. We'll guide you through the process, offering tips and insights to help you navigate the world of Airbnb with confidence. Get ready to break free from the constraints of conventional thinking and discover the world of property-less Airbnb profits. Embrace the future of real estate investment and unlock new opportunities that await you in the Airbnb marketplace. Now let's address the elephant in the room. The misconception that property ownership is a prerequisite for Airbnb success. This myth prevents countless individuals from exploring a world of earning potential. Think of Airbnb as a platform connecting travelers with unique accommodations. You don't need to own the accommodation, you just need to facilitate the connection. This is where the beauty of our 3 methods shines through: rental arbitrage, co-hosting, and property management. Each provides a unique pathway to tap into Airbnb's earning potential without the burden of property ownership. So ditch the outdated notion that you need to be a landlord to profit from Airbnb. Embrace the possibilities that await as we delve into these innovative approaches. Imagine this. You secure a lease on a beautiful apartment, you furnish it tastefully, list it on Airbnb, and voila, you're an Airbnb host without owning any real estate. This is the magic of rental arbitrage, a strategy that allows you to profit from the short-term rental market without the need for property ownership. This is the essence of rental arbitrage. Essentially, you're acting as a middleman, leveraging the price difference between long-term rental rates and short-term Airbnb prices. By securing a property at a lower long-term rate and renting it out on Airbnb for a higher daily or weekly price, you can generate a significant profit margin. The key lies in finding properties in high-demand areas with a significant price discrepancy between long-term and short-term rentals. Diligent research, market analysis, and a dash of negotiation prowess are your tools for success. While it involves upfront costs like security deposits and furnishing, the potential for high returns makes rental arbitrage an attractive avenue for many. Imagine transforming a simple apartment into a lucrative business venture. With careful planning and strategic execution, you can maximize your earnings. Market analysis is crucial. Understanding the dynamics of the local rental market can give you a competitive edge. Negotiating favorable lease terms can also significantly impact your profitability. It's not just about finding any property, but the right property. Upfront costs like security deposits and furnishing are investments into your future success. The initial setup might seem daunting, but the potential for high returns makes it all worthwhile. Rental arbitrage opens doors to financial freedom and entrepreneurial success. Section 5. Co-hosting, partnering your way to success. Not interested in managing an entire property? Consider co-hosting. Co-hosting allows you to share the responsibilities and rewards of property management without bearing the full burden alone. As a co-host, you partner with a property owner to manage their Airbnb listing. This partnership can be incredibly beneficial as it combines your skills with their property to create a seamless hosting experience. You handle guest communication, bookings, cleaning, and more in exchange for a percentage of the revenue. This means you take care of the day-to-day operations, ensuring guests have a pleasant stay while the property owner can focus on other priorities. Think of yourself as the Airbnb superhero, swooping in to save busy or overwhelmed property owners. Your role is crucial in maintaining the property's reputation and ensuring high guest satisfaction. You bring your skills and time to the table while they provide the property. It's a win-win situation. This collaboration allows both parties to leverage their strengths, creating a more efficient and profitable operation. Co-hosting is ideal for those seeking flexibility and variety. You can manage multiple properties, each with its unique charm and challenges, keeping your work dynamic and engaging. You can choose the properties and owners you want to work with, tailoring your involvement to your schedule and preferences. This level of control allows you to balance your work with other commitments, making co-hosting a versatile career option. Co-hosting requires excellent communication, organizational skills, and a knack for hospitality. You'll need to be proactive, responsive, and detail-oriented to ensure everything runs smoothly. But done right, it can be a rewarding and lucrative venture. The satisfaction of helping property owners and guests, combined with the financial benefits, makes co-hosting a fulfilling career path. Section 6. Property Management, the Airbnb Maestro. If you enjoy managing and coordinating, property management might be your calling. As a property manager, you're the conductor of the Airbnb orchestra, overseeing all aspects of multiple properties for different owners. From creating compelling listings and optimizing pricing to handling guest inquiries, cleaning, and maintenance, you manage it all. You become the owner's trusted representative, ensuring their property operates like a well-oiled machine. Property management requires strong organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to juggle multiple tasks efficiently. You're the go-to person for both owners and guests, ensuring smooth and enjoyable experiences for all. While it demands significant time and effort, property management offers substantial earning potential and the satisfaction of running a successful Airbnb operation. Section 7. Sarah's story from side hustle to Airbnb empire. Meet Sarah, a graphic designer who wanted to supplement her income. Intrigued by Airbnb, she decided to dip her toes into co-hosting. She partnered with a busy professional who owned a charming apartment but lacked the time to manage it. Sarah took charge of the listing, crafting an enticing profile, managing bookings, and ensuring a seamless guest experience. She went above and beyond, providing personalized recommendations and even stocking the fridge with local treats. Her dedication paid off. Positive reviews poured in and bookings skyrocketed. Sarah's side hustle blossomed into a thriving Airbnb management business. She now manages multiple properties, earning a substantial income while enjoying the flexibility and independence of being her own boss. Section 8. Unlocking your Airbnb potential. The Airbnb world is your oyster even without owning a property. Rental arbitrage, co-hosting, and property management offer viable pathways to unlock a stream of income and embrace the exciting world of hospitality. The key is to identify the strategy that aligns best with your personality, resources, and goals. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and don't be afraid to start small. Remember, success in the Airbnb arena requires more than just a roof over your head. It demands passion, dedication, and a genuine desire to create memorable experiences for your guests. Section 9. Join the conversation, share your Airbnb journey. We've explored the exciting world of Airbnb without property ownership. Now it's your turn to share your thoughts and experiences. Have you tried any of these methods? What challenges have you faced, and what successes have you celebrated? Share your story in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on our Airbnb journeys.